Hi, this is Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the knife series, and look what we have here today. I found this at Sports Academy, I believe. It's around $15 or so, under $20, I can say that. Don't quite remember how much it was. Got the Buck 364 Rival 1. And this one is actually made in the USA, in Idaho. So this is an everyday use. We have cryogenic heat-treated stainless steel 420HC, one-handed easy opening, lock back, designed for safe use. There we go. Here's the color of this thing. It is an odd color, isn't it? Huh. Look at here. Not bad. Okay, here we go. Here's the specs. Blade 2 3/4 inches. Drop point 420HC steel. Length 3.5 inch. Closed. Different information on here. Here's the little magnetic theft bar. There we go. Everyday use. Okay, we're going to rip this open with the other Buck I opened up in a recent video. This is the 284. There you go. Now these two knives are similar to each other, not the same, but similar. So let's go ahead and rip this thing open right here. See what we have on the inside. Let this thing free. Take it out of its cage. However you want to call it. We're going to be doing that. There we go. Dropped it down right there. Going to close this one up right here. Get this out of the way. Now if you saw this review, I like this knife. I like the size of it. And the only thing I didn't really care about is there's no pocket clip on it. I was planning on giving this to my daughter, but she prefers a pocket clip. But this size would be great. I don't know. Might still give it to her. Oh, here's the one we're reviewing today. This one does have the pocket clip. There we go. Here's the lock. Kind of a weird looking design, isn't it? There we go. Ooh, opens very easy. There we go. Buck stamped in right there. 364, 384. What was that? 364. Very lightweight. In fact, I believe my daughter liked this one too. Very thin. Pocket clip, small pocket clip. Lock back right here. Folds very easy. Opens very easy. Thumb stud on each side. Nice looking blade. Huh. Yeah, how about that? I think my daughter will like this one. Opens very easy. Very easy open. Nice centering. The blade is completely covered up. Let me try it left-handed, see if I can do it left-handed. Now, unlike a lot of people, I believe God gave me my left hand and my left arm just for balance. Not very coordinated with my left extremities. Look at it, here's the overall. Look at that. Kind of cool looking, isn't it? Comfortable. Be more comfortable for smaller hands. I get 3 full fingers on there, 3.5. But for small jobs, not too bad. Very, like I said, for very lightweight. Let's see how this thing cuts straight out of the package. I'm expecting it just to do as good as this knife did. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Not bad at all. I'm impressed with this thing. Not my favorite color, but the overall knife, I would consider this a success. Kind of a different shape on the lock back. I like it. There we go. There's the pocket clip right there. Nice and strong. I can't pull it up with my finger. Pretty cool. If you get to Sports Academy, check out the 364 Rival 1. And let's see how it looks compared to this one. It's pretty close to this one. Bought them at the same time. The size is close enough to say that they're the same. Pretty cool set. I like them. If you have one of these, give me a comment below. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate watching.